How to convert Lazada Wallet into GCash. If you would like to convert Lazada Wallet into GCash, first of all, launch Lazada Wallet. Once you've done that, tap the account icon from the bottom right. Then from Lazada Wallet, select your balance. You will see your balance right here. If you have got some type of balance, you'll find the withdraw option. When you select withdraw, you'll be able to select GCash as your withdrawal method. So once you select GCash, you can enter the amount and confirm the transaction, and your Lazada wallet will be converted into GCash. This way you'll be able to convert Lazada wallet into GCash. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video. And also, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thanks for watching.